man so.
Okay.
Na Mr. Vincent Odotei. Yes, Obama in Nkomo and on today's post. Abani, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. What's I say?
Nyamia Domboko na so
yeah, pacho mama mo official pa. Mama mo tie for you na official pa. In my house of folk, especially house of supporters, mostly ASANTE supporters. I think all footballers, the mama mo official pa.
Yeah, Joso, I think come to officer say na yet nko. Wa me official pa die. We die ye bakọ nko no so but ye nyina enim de to Kotoko. Na no bro mu kopie mu ewo na Kramansa Park. Minim ye de ka fro we minim ne obeka chiro mansa na ye de nkomo no to aso.
Okay, I'll plead I speak English. I didn't hear your question well.
Na me say ensem abeka e de a che Kumase ASANTE Kotoko ewo tragic akoto mu ewo inso atre.
Oh, okay. First of all, I think we have expressed our condolences to the management team that we met with them after the issue. And let me use this opportunity to express our condolences to the whole ASANTE Kotoko family for the loss of Puli. It's very, very unfortunate. It shouldn't have come to this, but unfortunately. So I hope that, as we say, I'm going to share it. In Ghana, we say, so our condolences on my personal behalf and on behalf of the whole Accra House of Folk. Once again, we express our condolences, although we've done that formally to them. And I hope that the wife, the family, and everybody will be strengthened. And then we hope that his death will not be in vain. I will lead to better things to the Ghana football.
Good. Dia atokotoko ye mbusa we no ho na ema na no mhia ye ewo enkran na mu wie no two big clubs munya konya etumi Asia ya munyina no ehunu mu statement a mo hwe nhyehyeye a Ghana football be ye beboa clubs nyina na aboa mo nso nanum na sese de ye tie ene se clubs ni bi ahyase no onuanom ekasa na mo peso mbeli omo house of folk ede mo kam ho na afei omo yi Kotoko si nchense Kotoko entimi emfomu nso sanse ekoba ebusome omo gusu tuo players ka which be ha dwene minim course no bi aba mo so na enkrebe ne wom.
Okay, I'm saying, I'll try and speak English a bit.
Okay.
First of all, let me commend the FA and especially the FA president for his forthright position on what needs to be done to reform our game, especially at Kotoko. And let me also make it very clear this sermon, because I have supporters before Montier. Hearts of Folk is going to collaborate with ASANTE Kotoko closely and the GFA to make sure that we continue, we bring reforms to the game. Let me be very clear. ASANTE Kotoko have never told Accra House of Folk they want to suspend the league indefinitely. Maybe this message is coming. They've never said that.
Yes.
Indeed, your whole meeting last week, ASANTE Kotoko, where the lawyer and the administration and House of Folk were duly represented. We are the league should have started this weekend. We all want something that nobody said the league is going to be enough. ASANTE has never told us that the league should be suspended indefinitely. That's not the position of ASANTE has. If Kotoko has any peculiar problem with the FA, then they have to resolve it. But in terms of the general interest of the game and to improve the game, we are very resolute with ASANTE Kotoko for the long-term reforms and changes in the Ghana football. And we're going to work closely with the GFA on this matter. Mr. Amo, Mamu Maya way here on nursery politics and football politics. Mr. Amo, what's here? At the meeting last week, the FA president made it very clear. FA president made it in no uncertain terms. The DIA doing, if even a request, say, best sign your man, yes, it's not a board and quantity. All the clubs were there, the FA president made it very clear. But what we have and Kotoko are asking for are immediate changes and some long-term changes. The immediate ones are the security protocols, some protocols, including ASANTE Kotoko. Last week, you started pre-match, the countdown, everything. We went through it copiously. Everybody went through it. Those are the immediate things. And then we are prepared to Hearts of Oak. And as far as I am concerned, we as well are concerned. We and ASANTE, we are prepared to let the league resume and the league play. If they have any issues, peculiar issues, then maybe that's their matter. But I don't think with working with ASANTE, our
It's your pa.
No, our position is about indefinite suspension of the league. And let no one be under any illusion. The other 16 clubs are key stakeholders for Ghana football. They are very key stakeholders. We're here because we don't have to work with. But Hearts and Kotoko are important key stakeholders in the game. And it is important that we all realize that is a fact of life. We all realize that in every ecosystem, every institution, everything, there are people who move things. We cannot do it alone. We are not saying we are going to move unilaterally, but all the other 16 clubs must realize that by a matter of history, a matter of size, a matter of structure, Yeni ASANTE Kotoko, we make things stick.
Sure.
Let me give you 3 examples. I'm sure all the other teams, they should look at their match day revenues and compare when they play Hearts of Oak or Kotoko. The gate fees they charge are higher, they get more money. Go to Star Times and with Miss Samuel, Journals and Central for go and do the research. The viewership on Category A match, Category B matches, and Category C matches. You will realize that when all is said and done, it is Hearts and Kotoko who bring the masses. It doesn't mean we are going to do anything alone, but the reality is that the other 16 clubs must acknowledge and realize the role Hearts and Kotoko plays, even in their own revenue turnover. And the FA as well. We are not going to Hearts and Kotoko are not asking as a success of all to suspend the league. No. We want the league to start. Anybody who tells you, because last week were there, we even decided the league should have started Ocha, but because of the delay in the protocols, and that's not the position of the Hearts of is that the league should start very quickly. Now that our first-step security issues has been addressed. Yes, we are reviewing it by and large. We think, so but the other long-term reforms, we are let no one be under any illusion. We are going to work closely with and collaborate with ASANTE Kotoko and the FA to bring some of these reforms. Because sure say who doesn't know the challenges we have in security safety, who doesn't appreciate the challenges we have in the whole management of the league, who doesn't appreciate we need to bring changes.
Yes.
And Hearts and Kotoko are going to work closely with the FA and with our colleagues to make sure that you're going in the long term. As for the league, Kotoko has never told us, nobody, and that's not the position of
Okay.
The security features and protocols have come in. We are going to move on, resume the league, but I'll prove myself House of Oak supporter in Kotoko. This is not about necessary. We are outright, we are bitter rivals. Yes, we know. But it is also about the future and sustainability of both the clubs and the Ghana Premier League. So this is the position of Accra Hearts of Oak.
I was a former say, Mr. Vincent Odotei, board member for House of Oak, and Eddie Nkomo. Say, Obed, question at the mouth. Say,
well, Mr. Vincent Odotei, looking at the earlier release of Hearts of Oak, the joint statement of Hearts and ASANTE Kotoko, and you've also been talking about the security features. The aspect that focuses on the security cameras, are you going to depend on that? Make sure it happens before it starts, or that is going to start next season? I'm talking about the CCTV aspect of the security features.
Yes, we are very realistic. Some of the demands need infrastructure change. Yes, we at the moment the league has started at that. People are paying players, so we need to finish the league. The protocols, we are reviewing, but we'll work with them. But as I said, when you look at the release and issues, some of them are very immediate, some are medium term, and some are long term. The immediate ones are the security. They're the ones that require infrastructure, a little investment. Yes, we would we'll go along, but when the time comes, in the medium term, we'll work with ASANTE to make sure that those things are done.
Okay, so from my understanding, it's possible we can start the league whilst you wait for other clubs to install the cameras, right?
Oh yes. I mean, we have to be realistic. These things demand, yes. I mean, it requires some investment. It requires, some outlay. Yes. And let me repeat: ASANTE has never told Accra House of Folk we should suspend the league, and that's not our position.
Okay.
If saying something is their particular problem. We are working with them to ensure the league resumes, and then the changes that we require, we work with them as a unit, the two of us, with the FA, to bring those medium and long term changes that we think will help Ghana football.
So from what you are saying, then it means that some of the key points in your statement is going to happen in due course, not instant. As
I said, the requests we made in our letter have short-term, medium-term, and long-term. And when you say long-term, decades old. Long-term means that once the league is finished, then the long-term issues come in. Okay.
So, based on the release, I have a feeling the long-term include the league being run independently by a management team. I have a belief that the aspect where you are pleading with the FA to help reduce the VAT on match proceeds will be part of the long-term discussions.
The issues. Okay, let me repeat myself.
Okay.
The safety and security issues are the immediate things.
Those are the immediate ones.
Even within that, like the issue about CCTV, yeah, those clubs can install them now. We are hoping, yes. The medium and long term issues to do the autonomous league, the share of the sponsorship proceeds, and other things. There are things which will work with ASANTE Kotoko to make sure that once the league finishes, we address those issues.
Okay. I think now your fans will get a clear picture of the whole statement. Meaning, for the security features, you need it before you start. But for some of them that is cost intensive, you are hoping that you collaborate with the FA to work on them whilst the league is ongoing or before the start of next season.
Yes. Opinion,
Obed. Well done for Obed.
Let me say, go and look at the league table. Do it by home matches for last season. We are the last.
Yeah.
Sure, we lost most of matches.
Yeah.
Yes. When you look at it, we all know, with all due respect, my colleagues, some of the venues are not safe for professional league matches.
Yeah. No correct.
Yes, this is a reality. We must admit it. And as I said, the other 16 clubs are key stakeholders. But we can't continue to expose our lives to that and this kind of thing to happen.
Okay.
You go to certain venues, it's really difficult to even enter the venues. So, the security, the protocol, we are glad of the protocol that the FA has come up with. All of us, the clubs, we started going through them one after the other and agreed that the DIA doing something must change.
Okay.
We have our regulations, but something must change. So that's why the directives and protocols have come in. We think it's a huge step in the right direction, which demands that we work closely with other teams and the FA to resume the league, and whilst we go on to bring those semi-permanent changes that we require.
Okay.
So this is the position of Accra Hearts of Folk, and by ASANTE Kotoko.
Okay, I think the step is in the right direction. We are hoping that the bigger picture, you can achieve the bigger picture before the start of next season in terms of the long term and the medium term plans that both parties have for Ghana football.
Yeah, thank you very much. That's why I'm appealing to my supporters and Kotoko supporters. Yes, when we are playing on the field there, we all want to win, but no matter the bigger picture, no? The bigger interest of our teams, and let me repeat: let no one have any doubt that Accra Asafo will collaborate with ASANTE Kotoko for the bigger development of the game. No one should have any doubt.
Okay.
Anything anybody says, no. We are working together for the bigger picture and the long-term development of the game. Let no one have any doubt about that.
Okay. So the rumor in town that you're going to neglect ASANTE Kotoko on the way and the collaboration is going to die a natural death won't happen. While until the grand plan is achieved, it's a joint force.
Let me be honest with you. The people leading Hearts of Oak are very honorable people. We are very, very wise people. We when you look at the investment, how some Kotoko make we are making our clubs and then the football as a whole. It is important we collaborate. We are not going to engage on any as I said, partnership or a duopoly or anything to undermine football. No. We are going to make sure that we look at things which are practical and things which are ultimately beneficial to Accra Asafo Kotoko, to the GSA, and to the Ghana football in general.
Okay.
We can't achieve anything. We can't achieve anything in life. You don't achieve anything if you don't collaborate. As a very wise African proverb says, if you want to go quickly, you go alone. But if you want to go far, you go together. So we are going to go together with ASANTE Kotoko to make sure that everything we are going to do, we half of us don't believe in threats. Threats doesn't achieve anything. We don't believe in anything. But we believe in looking at pragmatic and the reality of ensuring that the investment we make, the history, the size, the people, the impact we have on Ghana football is properly collaboratively leveraged with our other 16 teams to bring the bigger picture and to ensure that everybody benefits and the reforms that we seek to bring to the game is achieved.
Okay. Mr. SOWAH, I did acquire a lot of people omo headache this season league is na ye Kotoko has matches all over the world. One area leagues and other clubs make a lot of money from TV rights. Ye Kotoko has matches several more than any other club in this season Premier League. Reports are and say there is not a single money ever to more clubs here be benefiting more. Ufu say at this time we see muhia reforms no. And yet the right time say we be discuss this issue because say has ne Kotoko or me yusu has quite decided say if their games are being shown on their social media pages they are going to earn more than CAU games free.
I think request a letter to the FA touches on this very, very important issue. What is the right time? We believe, as we speak now, the issues we need to address are the security and safety issues. The long and medium term is not 10 years away. The right time will come within the next few months. When will this issue have some Kotoko will work closely to and the GSA will work closely as to the two biggest teams and the GSA to address this issue about TV and sponsorship rights. We would work together with Kotoko to address it so that it is fair, it is equitable, and reflects what exactly it's the reality of the structure of the teams in the Premier League.
Okay. Now me feel say time is money because free no the clubs are losing a lot of money. One other area so me feel say I'm for raising concern The joint statement from Kotoko has Oko Gia. A match scheduled at a league center which does not meet the criteria for hosting matches of that category should be moved to an appropriate venue. May I sure say my players be prepare medical reports beba. Most of them be pitches are or mobile balls, which and also about the cost of the club. Yes, security are very important, but enyoma elbow clubs neka bad pitches players bo mupra. That's all the take any time ni and I also can long term no.
Opening so yesterday look at where we are now in the middle of the league. Our intentions as staff and Kotoko are very, very clear. And I've told you our long term is just a few months away. Yes, we have to call meeting last. We addressed the issue of the club licensing. What it takes for them to approve team venues. And this issue, trust me, don't trust me. We are going to work with ASANTE to make sure that the venues are fit for Premier League matches. We have to make sure. So we haven't abandoned that, but the immediate things are the 60 and 60 to make sure that all of us, the 16 teams, will begin to enjoy football again. While in the very near future, this issue will be ASANTE will work closely with our Accra Hearts of Oak with the FA to ensure that this issue about eligibility of venues is addressed to the letter.
Okay. That's what with the assurance ni be here through minimisa wo de oyo even before occupying the seat of board member at House of Folk, we are fighting for the goodwill of Ghana football. Most times you better try so yenye nanyo manye ye o ibi wo ha yenya nto next year we will make sure say be solve next year ne beba near the last year de na akọ next year ubetimi assure not only Kotoko ne ha supporters obi bia oye a fan of football e wo mem ha say Accra of Folk as a football club and Kumasi ASANTE Kotoko monyoma amodi aguwe mu be make sure say the Ghana Football Association ebeye whether a short term and also long term na ama the brand of our Premier League a meet standard that you know.
We are resolved in our position, Hearts and Kotoko, to work with the FA to ensure that these things, these reforms that we are asking for come into play. We are resolved and very determined. And as I said, work with our other key stakeholders, 16 teams, to make sure these things come into play. We are not. If you let's understand where we are, there's a time for everything, and there's a time for everything. We believe that we don't want to unduly exploit this situation. The safety and security protocols have come out. We are going to deal with it, but we are determined to work with ASANTE Kotoko to ensure the issues that we talk about, that we refer to as medium and long term, are implemented to the letter, and we are going to work. Let no one be any under illusion. No one is going to work collaboratively with ASANTE Kotoko and the FA to make sure these things happen.
Okay. That's all the TV that's it.
Okay.